Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today's we are diving real review GASGAS Zero dirt bike. Design and look. The 2025 GASGAS EX300 maintains its aggressive enduro styling with a clean and purposeful design. It features a bright red color scheme, the brand signature, with subtle white and black accents. The slim bodywork ensures minimal weight and improved rider movement, especially in technical terrain. The plastics are flexible and durable, designed to withstand off-road punishment. The ergonomics have been refined slightly from the previous model, offering better rider triangle comfort for long hours in the saddle. Engine and performance. The EX300 continues to run on a 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine that uses transfer port injection (TPI) technology. This direct fuel injection system improves fuel efficiency and throttle response while reducing emissions without sacrificing that raw two-stroke punch. It delivers strong low-end torque, ideal for technical climbs, with a mid-range that hits hard when needed. The 6-speed wide ratio transmission is smooth and pairs well with the engine's versatile power band, suitable for everything from tight woods to fast open trails. Suspension and handling. GASGAS has fitted the EX300 with WP Explore suspension, 48mm forks at the front and a linkage-type WP ZACT shock at the rear. The setup is fully adjustable and tuned for enduro-style terrain, offering a plush ride over rocks, roots, and ruts. The handling is light and agile, thanks to a chromoly steel frame and low overall weight. The centralization of mass and balanced chassis geometry give riders better control when maneuvering through slow, technical sections or tackling high-speed forest trails. Brakes, tires and extras. Braking is handled by BrakeTech components with a solid bite and good modulation. The stock tires are enduro-focused Maxxis rubber, providing dependable grip on various terrain types. The bike also comes with a map switch as standard, allowing riders to toggle between different power modes depending on conditions. Electric start is included and kickstart is no longer present, keeping the weight in check. The fuel tank holds approximately 2.3 gallons, offering enough range for most enduro rides. Verdict. The 2025 GASGAS EX300 is a reliable, well-rounded two-stroke dirt bike that's ideal for serious trail riders and enduro competitors. It sticks to its proven formula but improves slightly in refinement and rideability. For those looking for lightweight performance, strong low-end torque, and modern features in a no-nonsense off-road package, the EX300 remains a solid choice. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more real bike reviews.